Hey friends, now I'll discuss the last part of hypertrophy, that is the last part of hypertrophy, that what we should do in gym to optimize hypertrophy or to get maximum muscle growth in the gym. So I have come to the last part of that video. So let's discuss. So the thing is that I have seen a lot of people doing pyramid sets. Pyramid set is a set where you start with a very less weight, which doesn't create any mechanical tension in your workout, and then you slowly increase the strength, and then slowly you increase your weights. So this is called pyramid set. So you start with 10 kilos, then you progress to 15 and then 20. So 10 is basically very easy for you. It doesn't create any mechanical tension. And then you do 15. 15 is medium and 20 is your maximum PR. So instead of doing in that way, you can do drop sets. So start with 20 kilo. And if you can do 20 with 20 kilos dumbbell press, and you can do 15 repetitions with that. Make sure you do with 20 kilo you push 20 kilos of dumbbell press for only 12 repetition. Don't do 15. Just stop after doing 12 repetition. After that, drop the weight by 20 to 30%. Like you come back to 15.5 kilos. With 15.5 kilos, make sure you do 5 to 7 repetitions. Again, drop the weight, and then with 12.5 kilos, you do dumbbell press, and make sure you do 5 to 6 repetitions. In this way, you create mechanical tension in your muscle, and you can optimize your muscle hypertrophy without getting fatigue. And also you can save your time in this way. If you don't have time much, like 45 minutes for working, in this way you can also save your time. You can achieve muscle hypertrophy, and you will prevent yourself from getting tired, fatigue, and you can recover well. So I think this is a good way of doing workout. Instead of doing pyramid sets, go for drop sets. I hope this is clear.